What is up, guys? Welcome to the big unbox where we do that small tech, and today I am back with another big unboxing for you for the OnePlus 5, and by request we've got the RhinoShield screen protector to unbox, do a quick review, and we'll put it to the case test as well. If this one retails for $24.99, I got it on Amazon.com. I'll post a link up in the video description, so if you want to check it out, feel free to. It's gotten 2 reviews and 1 star, so not the best reviews. But we'll put it to the test and see how it is, guys. One thing I can tell you, it says not full coverage on the description, so I'm not sure exactly what that means in terms of how much it's going to cut off, but we'll check that out as well. Packaging-wise, impact protection, shatterproof and perfect optical clarity, RhinoShield screen protector for the OnePlus 5. So just basic packaging, but it does feel premium. 6 layers of protection, so this basically gives you a detail of what you're getting. I do not believe this is a tempered glass one. This is the first time I've actually ever had a RhinoShield product, so we'll check it out as well just to see the quality of it. Okay, guys, for $24.95, I do have to say, it's $24.99, I should say. That is a crazy price, considering that's more expensive than even the official OnePlus 5 tempered glass screen protector that retails for 20 bucks. So this is right now the most expensive one I've had. So for it to be worth it, it's gonna have to be a hit for 25 bucks. And so far it's only gotten 2 reviews and 1 star, so I'm not sure. Again, we'll put it to the test. All right, so let's get to it, guys. Open, let's see what we got. So it pops out like that, nothing to it. I'm not really sure what kind of screen protector this is. I don't believe it's tempered glass, but we'll check it out. Nice logo right there. Pull, let's see what we got. Well, struggle is gonna kick in. It says pull, I'm pulling. All right, whatever. All right, so I took it all out here, guys. Let's check it out. The features, gives you the details about it. Impact resistance, thin and transparent, anti-fingerprint, scratch resistance. Got your directions, how to apply it. So that's nice, follow the directions. All right, let's see what else we got here. This is a premium packaging. I like the way they did it. Got a nice cloth here. So your nice microfiber cloth, put that to the side. Let's see what we get in here. Probably the usual. Got the dust removal sticker. That's about typical with all these. You get one of these with most of them. So keep those handy. Get you some directions as well for that. All right, so the screen protector itself, I'd say it's a little flimsy, but it's actually a little, it's not exactly tempered glass by any means, but it does feel a little more premium, just as some of the basic screen protectors that you'll find. So it is a plastic, you can kind of hear that, but it does feel a little bit thicker than some of the other plastics. So got your side A, side B. I'm just wondering how short that's going to be. Let's kind of give an idea. It looks to be super short, but we'll check it out. Let me put the video on pause. I'll put this on, guys. We'll put it to the case test, put it to the reviews. Be right back, guys. Hold tight. Welcome back, guys. All right, so we got the RhinoShield put on, and I gotta say, for 25 bucks, it's probably not worth the price, but it does feel a lot more protective than some of the other non-tempered glass screen protectors. You can see it's a little thicker just around the edges, and it feels a little more premium than some of the other ones do. One thing to keep in mind, you got nice clarity with it. So if you can look right through, it doesn't feel hollow, and it doesn't appear to be as fingerprint prone as some of them that I've noticed. You can see there are still fingerprints, but it's not as bad as some of them, especially some of the tempered glass ones that I've tried out. It's not edge-to-edge protection, so you can see it's cut off just a little bit on the sides. So if that drives you nuts, let's give you guys an example. So you can see where it's cut into the screen a little bit around the edges. You see that? So if that drives you nuts, pass on this one. One thing I would say, it's not as annoying as some of the ones that I've seen that actually have black around the edges. So if it's short and has black around the edges, that's a complete eyesore. Whereas at least if it's clear, it's not as distracting as some of the other ones. So not too bad on that. It is going to be short, but it is going to be compatible with cases, so keep that in mind. Let's go and get to the case test. There's not going to be any issues with this in a case because of the gap in between. So this is the official bumper. Good to go. No issues at all. Let's go for like a Tudia. Fits in there like that. You just see, you're good to go. You got some lip protection. If you drop it, you're not going to have any issues. There's a gap, but you're not going to have any issues because there's some major lip protection. So keep that in mind, guys. So no issues at all so far. Let's check it out. What else we got? Let's go for a Spigen. We'll just knock out the Spigen right away. I'm not worried about this one. You don't think, at least. All right, so it's good with the Spigen. See, there's nothing to pop because there's a gap in between it. So it's not going to pop off, but yet you got major lip protection. So you're not going to have any issues with that. So if you drop it, you still got that protection around the sides for the lip. So no issues at all so far. We'll kind of knock out these in a pretty quick fashion. Let's see, somebody asked me about the Orsley one. That Orsley case, the clear one. Let's slap it in. I try to get to as many requests as I can, guys, so bear with me. No issues at all. Nothing. So no problems at all so far. Let's see what else we got. Here's the this one is the clear. There we go. This is the clear Spigen with that big lip. Look how much lip protection you're getting. Major lip protection for a clear case. And you can see plenty of room for the screen protector to breathe, so it's not going to affect it. If you drop it, that big lip around the edge is going to protect it, so you shouldn't have any issues at all. So far so good. It's compatible with all these cases. I'll probably do a couple more because I know it should be good with all these cases. Let's see. All right. So this is the iPacky I reviewed the other day. Again, no issues. So again, this one, I'm not going to hit up any more cases. This one's going to be compatible with all the cases because it's shorter on the edges. Would I say this is a hit? I'd say this is a semi-hit. Depends on what you're looking for. If you just need a basic screen protector that is a little more durable than just the cheap one that comes with the OnePlus 5, try this one out. It's not edge to edge, but it is compatible with all the cases and it feels a little more premium. The price is definitely not right. It's 25 bucks. So that's not a hit. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. You guys decide, hit or miss on this one. How about you guys hit the subscribe button? We'll see you guys next time on the Big Unbox. We do it big, guys.